Welcome to this session on using dashboards for progress reporting, a vital tool for communicating test status, identifying risks, and driving decisions with data. A good dashboard turns raw test metrics into clear, actionable insights for everyone from QA to executives. Let's start with the purpose of dashboards. Dashboards offer a real-time view of your testing progress, showing what's been tested, what's passed or failed, and where issues exist. They help teams stay aligned and stakeholders stay informed, all without digging through spreadsheets or manual reports. There are three main types of dashboards used in software testing. 1. Execution dashboards track test case status, how many are passed, failed, blocked, or in progress. 2. Defect dashboards show defect trends, severity breakdown, open versus closed bugs, and fix rates. 3. Coverage dashboards visualize requirements or feature coverage and identify any gaps in testing. Effective dashboards often include total test cases versus executed, pass-fail trends over time, defects by severity and priority, regression status, environment health or blocker summaries, best practices for dashboard design. Be visual. Use charts, graphs, and color coding to highlight trends and critical metrics. Keep it focused. Don't overload with data. Show what matters most to your audience. Segment by role. QA may want detailed test execution views, while management needs high-level summaries. Use real-time data. Automate your dashboards to pull fresh data from test management and defect tools. Tools like Jira, Zephyr, TestRail, QMetry, and even Power BI or Google Data Studio can help you build dashboards that auto-refresh and align with agile workflows. Dashboards are particularly valuable in daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and release planning. They support quick decisions, like where to allocate resources or whether a feature is ready to ship. Also, consider adding predictive insights. Show burn-down charts to forecast whether you'll complete testing on time. Include defect aging data to highlight issues that have lingered unresolved. In regulated industries, dashboards also support compliance by providing audit trails and documentation of QA activities. To summarize, dashboards transform metrics into insights that drive action. They improve visibility, accountability, and communication. Visual, focused, real-time dashboards are the most effective. In the next session, we'll explore how test reviews, audits, and continuous improvement practices help elevate QA from reactive to strategic. Let's keep going strong.